is pouring, and that doesn't stop our volunteers from working in the rain. Look at the pastor.
Oh yeah, thank you so much.
What an awesome job.
We love you so much. This is what we do for you.
I can't do that, but still.
We're here in the rain. Nothing will stop us from sharing the gospel of Jesus Christ. So if you want to be a part of a church that's radically invested in sharing the gospel, rain, sun, doesn't matter what happens, we're going to share the gospel with people every Sunday. God bless you, and we love to see you here next Sunday.